How to recover deleted voice recording from Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Recorder on your phone, and then you will find settings at the top right. I am using OnePlus, so there is no option. If you have other phones, you will find three dots instead of settings. Click on Recycle Bin at the top. After that, you will find Edit at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Edit and select the voice message you want to recover. After you select it, press on Restore at the bottom and you're good to go. The voice recording will be restored. This is how to recover deleted voice recording from Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.